Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT channel quantifiers. So in today's DILR set of the day, we are going to discuss a very good set on conditional DI. So some values are given to you, some kind of arrangement is given to you and you have to go through that. If you haven't tried this set, I request you to pause this video right now and try this set. The optimum time to do this set is around 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, it deserves that much time. So let's see what the question is all about. Four persons, A, B, C, and D, are playing a game of picking up a ball from a bag. The bag contains 5 balls, each of a different color: red, green, blue, yellow, and white. And these 5 balls fetch 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 points respectively. Okay. The game is being played in 4 rounds. तो 4 rounds में उन्होंने balls को निकाला है. Okay, 4 players ने. In each round, each person randomly takes out one ball from the bag and places it back into the bag. Ball निकाली, वापस डाली और फिर दूसरे दोस्त ने निकाली. Based on the color of the ball, they have been given the points as mentioned above. ठीक है. So last में उन्होंने points निकाले and so on they proceeded. Each ball was picked by at least one person and each ball was picked up a different number of times. Sorry. So basically, हर बॉल जो है अलग बार पिक होगी और हर बार कम से कम एक बॉल तो हर बॉल कम से कम एक बार तो पिक हुई है. ये हमें दिया हुआ है. So basically, what do I know? That there are 4 players A, B, C, D. There are 4 rounds 1, 2, 3, 4, and they have picked each ball. They have each one picked some balls in their rounds, and they have got some points. Let me try to make the table and fill up the cells for the 4 rounds. Let's see what it is. Now, red, green, blue, and yellow were the points. चलो ठीक है, ये तो हमें पता ही है. The first point says each ball was picked up at least by at least one person, and each ball was picked up a different number of times. 5 balls हैं यार. अगर हर बॉल को मैं different number of times pick भी करूँ, 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5 times pick करूँ, the total is coming out to be 50. But the total number of balls picked were across the 4 rounds. 4 players have picked up how many times? The total number of times the ball were picked up is 16. So there should be 16 picks, and these are 15 picks if I am giving them least distinct. So if I have to make this total 16 by these value, and I have to give any one more value to any of these variables, so can I say I will give it only to 5? कोई एक बॉल 6 बार काउंट हुई होगी, एक बार 4 बार पिक होगी, एक 3 बार, एक 2 बार, एक बार. क्योंकि अगर मैं इसको छोड़ के किसी भी और वैल्यू को 1 ऐड करता हूं तो वो दो वैल्यूज को सेम प्रोड्यूस कर देगा, जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं. सो व्हाट आई कैन डिड्यूस फ्रॉम दिस इज दैट वन ऑफ माय बॉल्स वाज पिक्ड अप one time, one of the ball was picked up 2 times, one of the ball was picked up 3 times, one was 4 times, and one was 6 times. So this is what I can deduce from here. None of A, B, and C picked the same ball in any 2 rounds, and the maximum points scored by any of the ABC in all the 4 rounds are 12. Okay. So, na hi A ne, na hi B ne, na hi C ne. In any of the rounds, they have picked the same ball. So, if A has picked, let's say, white ball here, A cannot pick a white ball anywhere across. If B has picked a blue ball here, B cannot pick a blue ball anywhere across. If C has picked up a yellow ball, C cannot pick the yellow ball anywhere across. Right? Okay. So, this is the basic information. And the maximum score, their score is less than or equal to 12. For all of the individuals, their score is less than or equal to 12. So, this is what I know. Third, among the 4 rounds, the maximum points were scored in round 3. So, the maximum points were scored in round 3. And A picked up white ball in round 3. So, A has picked up a white ball. So, white ball constitutes of 5 points. Okay, so balls were red, green, blue, yellow, and white. So, red was picked up once. So red has 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, and 5 point. So, these are the points given to them. So, A has picked 5. Okay. Among the 4 rounds, the maximum were in 3. Okay, हो गया. In each of the rounds 1, 3, and 4, no 2 players picked the same ball. So neither in round 1, neither in round 3, neither in round 4, no 2 players picked the same ball. So if white is here, white cannot be anywhere else. ये possibly नहीं. So each player has to pick a different ball, right? Done. The points scored by A and that by B in all the 4 rounds put together are equal. point by A and point by B are green ball was picked by picked more number of times than the white ball. Okay. The sum of points scored by A in round 1 and B in round 4 is 5. So if A points are scored here and B points are scored here, A plus B is 5. Okay. One of the 5 balls contributed a score of 20 to the total points scored in all of the rounds together. So किसी एक बॉल ने चारों राउंड्स में मिला के 20 स्कोर प्रोड्यूस किया, ठीक है, किसी एक बॉल ने चारों राउंड्स में मिला के 20 स्कोर पिक किया। अब ये तो हो सकता है कि यार बॉल नंबर 1 को मैंने 20 टाइम्स पिक कर लिया हो, ना ये हो सकता है कि जो 2 पॉइंट्स वाली बॉल है उसको 10 टाइम्स पिक कर लिया हो, क्योंकि बिकॉज मैक्सिमम टाइम्स अ बॉल कैन बी पिक्ड इज 6. So it is obvious that ball which was picked up 4 times produced 20 points, which is ball number 5. So basically 20 points were produced in 4 rounds, which means 5 points was produced once. Okay, so that ball is 5. And fifth white ball है, white ball is picked up 4 times. ये basic information है. Now if white ball is picked up 4 times, green ball is picked up more times than white ball, so green ball will be picked 6 times. Right, so ये आ गया मेरे पास, और बाकी तीनों का मुझे अभी पता नहीं. So this is all the information given to me. Now I have to some permutate and combinate and think of something, right? Let's think. So A score cannot be greater than equal to 12. Okay, so there are 4 rounds, and in 4 rounds A, B and C are picking up different balls. Okay, so let's say white, blue, green and yellow. Let's say hypothetically these 4 balls are there, which means in each of the round 1 ball among red, green, blue, yellow and white is dropped off. A, B, C ने अपने राउंड्स में किसी एक बॉल को छोड़ा है, ठीक है ना. अब वो कौन सी एक बॉल को छोड़ा होगा ये हमने सोचना है, ठीक है. लेट्स से मैं A को 5 बॉल पिक करवाता हूँ, 4 बॉल पिक करवाता हूँ और 3 बॉल पिक करवाता हूँ. 5 पॉइंट्स यानी व्हाइट बॉल पिक करा दी, yellow ball pick kara di and blue ball pick kara di. So if A is picking 5, 4 and 3 balls, the total is how much? The total is 12. Now if this total is 12, can I say there is no place left for the last round? यहाँ तो मैं कुछ भर ही नहीं सकता. Which means that all of these cannot coexist. White, yellow और black एक साथ नहीं आ सकती, ना ही A के लिए, ना ही B के लिए, ना ही C के लिए. यानी इनमें से किसी एक बॉल को तो ड्रॉप करना ही करना पड़ेगा. व्हाइट, येलो और ब्लू में से किसी एक बॉल को तो ड्रॉप करना ही पड़ेगा. अब अगर व्हाइट, येलो या ब्लू में से किसी एक बॉल को ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा, यानी कि फॉर ए एज वेल एज बी एज वेल एज सी, व्हाट डिड दे पिक? दे पिक्ड अप रेड बॉल प्लस ग्रीन बॉल प्लस एनी 2 अमंग ब्लू, येलो एंड व्हाइट. इन तीनों में से कोई 2 बॉल्स, और 2 बॉल्स तो ये पक्का ही पिक करी होंगी इन्होंने, राइट, एक बार. A, B and C haven't repeated their balls. Remember this. Okay. Now green ball is picked up 6 times. So green ball is picked up 6 times, while A, B, C all of them have picked green ball ones and ones. अगर A, B, C तीनों ने green ball को एक बार पिक किया हुआ है और green ball टोटल 6 बार पिक हुई है, तो can I say D ने उसको 3 बार पिक किया होगा? Okay. Obviously because green is picked up a total of 6 times. So D has picked up green ball thrice. So D has picked up green ball thrice, and green ball denotes 2 points. So D has scored twice, 3 times. Okay, fine. So all of them have picked up 1 and 2. That is for sure. ठीक है, अब हमें ये पता लग गया कि तीनों ने 1 and 2 तो पिक की ही की है. This is compulsory. And all of them have picked up any 2 from the rest 3, 4 and 5. इनमें से 2 वैल्यूज यहाँ आएंगी, 2 यहाँ आएंगी और 2 यहाँ आएंगी. And 2 to 2 is here now. So 5 white ball has also appeared 4 times. White ball has appeared 4 times. Can I say A cannot have 5 2 times? B cannot have 5 2 times. C also cannot have 5 2 times, because if there is not allowed, ठीक है, repetition हो ही नहीं सकती. And D also cannot have 5 2 times. Why? Because D has 3 values of 2. 3 बार तो 2 ही है और A की वैल्यू बची है. So can I say 5 is also equally distributed? So 5 is picked up by A also, by B also, by C also, by D also, right? क्योंकि 5 को ना ही मैं एक जगह 2 बार लिख सकता हूँ, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। डी के पास एक ही बार 5 आ सकता है, वो मैंने दे दिया, और उसके अलावा एबीसी को भी एक 5 देना पड़ा। So this is the basic configuration now I have. Now, okay, so B has scored this much. What else? I know A plus B is 5. A plus B is 5, so this plus this value is 5. Now this value cannot be 5 because if this is 5, this will be 0. ये तो possible ही नहीं है. Which means that this value has to be 2. Which means this value has to be 3. So if this value is 2, this value is 3, this value is 5. 3 and 5, 8. Okay. So the third value is 3. Since A and B were equal scores, so 1, 2, 5, 3, so it is also 1, 2, 5, 3. Right? They are equal scores. So 11 and 11 is their total score by A and B. Right? Now, what else? What else I know? Okay. So see, 1 is represented by which ball? 1 is represented by red ball. Red ball is also already picked up thrice. So if red ball is picked up thrice, so here it will be red ball. Okay, and then the balls left are 2 and 1. Okay, and since I can see 3, which is represented by a blue ball, is already being picked up twice. So this will be blue, and then this will be yellow. And if this is yellow, yellow ball is picked up once, so only one player can pick up yellow, that is player C. So his score is 1, 2, 5 and 4. This is the score of C. 5, 4, 9, 2, 11 and 1, 12. And for him the total score is 11. Right, I have also achieved this. Let me think of something else. This all is clear, right? I have to fill in some values. 3A, 5A, 2A, 2A. Okay, so 5 cannot come here because in third round all the values are distinct, so it must be 2 over here. So it should be 5 or 2 over here, or 2 or a 5 over here, right? Okay. Now, in fourth round also all the values are distinct. If all the values are distinct, values left for A are 1 and 2. Okay, and since 2 cannot come here, therefore 1 must come here. So if 1 is coming here, 2 is coming here, right? Now I am playing with two conditions. The one condition is that in first round, third round and fourth round no value is repeating itself, and the second condition is that in round 3 the score is maximum. Let me try to fill in the values which are possible over here. So if I am thinking 1 and 2, the values possible here are 5, 3, because 1 and 2, these values are 1, 2, 5, 3, 1 and 2 are already there, so only 5 and 3 can come here. 5 and 2 are already here, so only 1 and 3 can come here. For this, 1 and 2 is already here, so 5 and 4 can come here. For this, if 5 and 2 is already here, so 1 and 4 can come here. Okay. And similarly for here also, this cell may repetition allowed है, so I'll sort it later. Okay. So for B, the values, if 3 is there, so 1, 2 and 5 can come. For C also, C may everything can come as of now. Okay. But 4 must be coming at these two places only. Okay, so let's see what I can do. Now round third has to be the maximum one. Round 3 में maximum total होना चाहिए. And my optimistic brain says that it should be 4 over here. Total को maximize करना तो maximum value तो लेनी पड़ेगी. 4 नहीं रखूंगा तो 1 रखूंगा. 1 रखूंगा तो total हो जाएगा. But let's check कि 1 को रखने से क्या होता है. If I am writing 1 over here, I have to write a 3 over here. If I am writing a 3 over here only 5 and 3 can come. So I'll have to write 5 over here. If I am writing 5 over here, I have to write 4 over here. So what is the total? 5, 3, 8 and 1, 9 and 2, 11. 1 and 5, 6 and 4, 10 and 2, 12. So this violates my condition that round 3 has to be the maximum possible. Since round 3 has to be maximum possible, which means when I am choosing one value from 1 and 4, I have to choose 4. Because with 1, I am not getting my possible arrangement. Now if this 4 is here, then 5 is here. Now if 5 is here, 3 is here. If 3 is here, 1 is here. So this is kind of sorted. Now the values left for B are 2 and 5. So 2 and 5, 5 and 2. So values left for D are also 2 and 5, 5 and 2. And they both are having equal probabilities. ठीक है? तो ये तो फिक्स ही रहेगा कि अगर 2 यहाँ पे आएगा तो 5 यहाँ पे आएगा, 2 यहाँ पे आएगा तो 5 यहाँ पे आएगा, तो 2 यहाँ पे आएगा. मतलब ये अरेंजमेंट 5 और 2 इन्हीं दोनों के बीच में अरेंज होगा और कहीं अरेंज नहीं हो सकता. Now when I have to fill the value for C, 3 comes here, 5 or 2 comes here, 5 or 2 comes here. So 3, 5, 2 goes out of the window, 4 is already placed. So the only value that can come here is 1. 2 cannot come here because 2 is associated with these two. So 2 cannot come here. So basically it is 2 or 5, 5 or 2. Here it will be 1. 2 cannot come here. So 2 will come here. Now can I arrange these? Can I arrange any of it? 2, 5, 5, 2, 2, 5, 5, 2. No, I cannot arrange it. There is no other condition given to me which will help me sort it further. So this is the kind of a final table that I'll get. Okay, so let's see what the questions are all about from here. Which ball did C pick in round 4? C in round 4 picked up a ball with 5 points. Ball with 5 points is white ball, so C picked. What is the sum of points scored by A in round 4 and that by B in round 2? A in round 4, B in round 2. It cannot be determined because B can be 5 or 2, anything. Which ball was picked up exactly thrice? So exactly thrice. It was our red ball. The red ball was picked up exactly thrice. The red ball had how many points? Red ball thi. Yeah, red 1, 1, 1 is occurring thrice. Yes, red ball was occurring thrice. So the answer is red. Who picked up the blue ball in round 4? So blue ball has how many points? Blue boy has 3 points. So blue has 3 points in round 4. It was picked up by B. So B picked this. Okay. How many times was the yellow ball picked in 4 rounds put together? How many times was the yellow ball picked in 4 rounds put together? Yellow ball was picked only once, right? So this completes my actually one of the good sets, one of the best sets on data arrangement when it comes to conditions. I hope you guys have understood. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.